Can I use a splitter to connect my Xbox One to two TVs?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about a common query among gaming enthusiasts. Can you use a splitter to connect your Xbox One to two TVs? In short, the answer is yes, you can. However, it's important to understand the process and implications fully, and that's what we're going to explain today.
What is an HDMI splitter?
An HDMI splitter is a device that takes an HDMI signal from a single source, in this case, your Xbox One, and duplicates it, allowing it to be sent to two displays simultaneously. The important thing to remember here is that an HDMI splitter doesn't allow you to have different outputs on the two TVs. Instead, it merely duplicates the same signal across both screens. So, you'll be seeing the exact same content on both TVs.
How to connect your Xbox One to two TVs?
To connect your Xbox One to two TVs, you'll need an HDMI splitter, two HDMI cables, and of course, your two TVs. 1. First, connect the HDMI splitter to your Xbox One using an HDMI cable. This will be the input to the splitter. 2. Next, connect each of the TVs to the output ports on the HDMI splitter using the other HDMI cables. 3. Finally, power up your Xbox One and both TVs. You should see the Xbox One's output displayed on both TVs.
Are there any limitations?
While using an HDMI splitter is a simple solution, there are a few things you should be aware of. Signal quality. Depending on the quality of the splitter, the signal quality may degrade, leading to a less optimal gaming experience. Same output. As mentioned earlier, both TVs will display the exact same output, so you can't use this setup to play different games on different TVs at the same time. Audio sync. There might be some issues with audio synchronization across two TVs. So, if you're planning on using both TV speakers, this could create an echo. And there you have it. Now you know how to connect your Xbox One to two TVs using an HDMI splitter. Although there are some limitations to this method, it's a straightforward and cost-effective way to display your gaming content on two screens. Happy gaming, and we hope this video has been helpful.